Sometimes on X or Twitter, you might want to get notifications when something related to you or your post appears on the platform, but you might not be receiving those notifications. In this video, we'll explain how to enable those notifications by opening the X application. Next, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. When you do, you'll find Settings and Support. Click that option. Then, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on that. After that, you'll find Notifications. Click on this. When you select it, you'll see Preferences. Click on Preferences. Then, you'll find Push Notifications. Click on this. Here, you'll see the push notification settings. Make sure they're turned on. Scroll down, and you'll find Related to you and your post. And under that, you'll see several options. One option is Mentions and Replies. If anyone mentions or replies to you, and you want notifications, select this. If you choose from Everyone, you'll get notifications whenever anyone mentions or replies to you, or you can set it to specific accounts. That means X will filter and send notifications. Or, if you want, you can turn it off, but then you won't get notifications. Similarly, there's a repost option with the same settings. You can choose what works for you. There's also a like option. You can adjust this based on your needs. Here, you'll also see a photo tags option. Turn it on, and if anyone tags you in photos, you'll be notified. There's a moments option too. Turn it on. This way, you can easily enable notifications for content related to you and your posts. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.